Trans Am Worldwide has actually exposed the first photos of its latest automobile, paying homage to among the most renowned muscle mass automobiles, the Chevelle Super Sporting Activity, SS. In the modern variation of that V8 monster, Ta described the reimagined horse auto as the 70/SS, one that has actually been 7 years in the making, readily available with a 450 bhp entry-level 6.2-liter LT1 V8, a 900 bhp option, and a Bugatti Chiron disturbing 1500 bhp of the LS6/X 454 variation. Beginning with the new 6th-generation Camaro as the structure, the developers entirely changed every part of the outside. The only untouched location is the windscreen. As can be seen, each body panel has actually been improved to pay homage to the timeless Chevelle Super Sporting Activity 70. They also broadened the vehicle's rear with brand new quarter panels, deck covers, as well as bumpers. The interior stays mainly Camaro. Nevertheless, the 70/SS received retro-style uprisings as well as carpetings. The 70/SS badge as well as the Hurst cue ball shift handle are excellent touches. The Chevelle 70/SS does a superb task in this division. You can reserve an auto with one of the 3 powerhouse choices. The base engine is the 450 horsepower LT1 existing in the Camaro. If you desire more power and enjoyment, a 396 cubic inch LT engine that creates 900 horsepower can be installed. If you resemble us as well as intend to go all, the 70/SS can be had with twin turbocharger LS6/X 454-inch 3-product packaging. The top-level bidding generates 1,500 horsepower. The Chevelle 70/SS is provided in guidebook and transmission versions, as well as there are likewise suspension upgrades. Just examine package for an optional detachable tough top for those that want a coupe look. 8 heritage shades are available, as well as 10 modern-day metallic and also pearl colors to choose from. You can choose your custom color if that's what you desire. Additional choices include a wheel and also tire package, custom graphics, available carbon fiber, and brake upgrades. Tradition shades will certainly be readily available, while modern tri-stage personalized colors are provided for clients who want something more significant. Each automobile begins at $150,000, and also it's likewise most likely that cost will rise. The 2024 Chevelle SS starts at $150,000 currently, consisting of a 6.2-liter 450 horsepower V8, however it can likewise be bought with a 900 horsepower and 1500 horsepower supercharged engine that takes a breath via the induction system.